Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on redeeming Amazon gift cards on your Amazon account. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by heading over to amazon.com in a web browser and sign into your account if you are not already. When you are logged in, click on the Accounts and Lists button from the top right of the screen. From your account page, click on Gift Cards. Now select Redeem a gift card. Enter your claim code or gift card code here. A gift card claim code is 14 or 15 characters long and will usually contain both letters and numbers. If you have a plastic gift card, you may need to gently scratch or peel off the protective coating on the back of the card to reveal the claim code. Once you have entered the code, click Apply to your balance. If the code was correct, your Amazon balance will update to reflect your redeemed gift card. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Amazon tips and tricks.